Welcome to Slow Horror for English Practice. Our story is about a man named Daniel. He is very tired and very sad. He sits on his old couch in a dark room. The only light comes from his phone. On the table he can see many papers. These are bills. He owes a lot of money. He feels completely alone. He is looking at his phone. His thumb moves up and down the screen. He is not really thinking. Then he sees something new, a new icon. An icon is a small picture for an app. This icon is a black circle. In the middle, there is a small gold star. The name of the app is the Wish app. Daniel is confused. He does not remember downloading this app, but he is also very curious. So he touches the icon. A voice comes from the phone. It is a smooth, quiet voice. It says, "Welcome, Daniel. You have 3 wishes." Daniel laughs. "Yeah, right," he says. He does not believe it. He puts the phone down, but in the dark, the little gold star is still there. It is glowing. It looks like it is breathing. The next morning, Daniel cannot stop thinking. He thinks about 2 big problems. First, he thinks about his father. His father is sick and has many debts. Daniel knows the exact number, $87,412.63. Second, he thinks about a woman named Sophie. Sophie was his girlfriend. She left him 1 year ago. He still misses her laugh. He picks up his phone. He opens the Wish app again. He makes his first wish. He types, "I wish my father's debts were gone." He presses, "Confirm." The phone flashes with a white light. He quickly makes his second wish. He types, "I wish Sophie would come back to me right now." He presses, "Confirm." The phone flashes with a red light. The app now says, "1 wish remaining." Daniel is excited. He waits, but nothing happens. He feels foolish, and he goes to bed. Later that night, the phone rings. It is a call from the hospital. A voice says, "Mr. White, your father was in a car accident. He died instantly. I am very sorry." Daniel's world is destroyed. He is so sad. He cries and cries. He sees his phone on the table. The app is still open. It says 1 wish remaining. He is too sad to care. He ignores it. Weeks pass. Daniel is very sad from his father's funeral. One day he gets a letter in the mail. He opens it. Inside there is a check, a special paper for money. The amount of money is exactly $87,412.63. His father's debt is gone. But Daniel is confused. His father did not have so much insurance money. This is wrong. He opens his computer and searches for news about his father's car accident. He finds an article. The headline says, "2 people die in car crash." There are 2 pictures. The first picture is his father's car. The second picture is another car. It is Sophie's car. Sophie was the other driver. Now Daniel understands. It is a terrible understanding. The app granted his wishes, but in a horrible way. His first wish: I wish my father's debts were gone. The app killed his father so Daniel would get the insurance money. His second wish: I wish Sophie would come back to me. The app made her drive to him, but she died in the same crash. He looks at his phone. The app says, "One wish remaining." The little star is pulsing very fast. It is waiting. That night, a big storm comes. The power goes out. The room is completely dark. The only light comes from the phone. Then he hears a sound. Knock, knock, knock. A voice comes from outside the door. It sounds like Sophie's voice, but it is wrong. It sounds wet and broken, like someone speaking with broken lungs. Daniel, it's me. I'm back. Open the door. I can't be without you. Daniel is terrified. He is so scared. He picks up the phone. His hands are shaking. He types his last wish. I wish to undo it all. Please forgive me. He presses confirm. There is a blinding white flash of light. And then nothing. Complete silence. The next morning the door is open. Daniel is gone. The phone is gone. The money is gone. Everything is quiet. But if you listen very carefully, you can hear a soft sound, a faint knocking from inside the walls. Let's go over some important words from the story. Debt, noun. Money that you owe to someone else. Daniel's father had a lot of debt. Bill, noun. A piece of paper that says how much money you must pay for a service. He had many unpaid bills on his table. To grant a wish, verb phrase. To make a wish come true. The app granted his wishes in a terrible way. To undo, verb. To reverse something, to make it so it never happened. His last wish was to undo everything. Thank you for listening to this story. Be careful what you wish for.